warning device for station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, section zone receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. The signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially along the line tone will vary at every location. This ability is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and occurs even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Burlington, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Kansas, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kansas, and Charlotte, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Depot, including Chesapeake Bay North of Full Island. This concludes the weekly Test of No Weather Radio All Hazards. Station KIH28